Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Dro and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're gonna make a very gentle introduction to data classes in Python. This is gonna help you create data models that can hold information, data, inside objects. It can help you work with the IDEs, so the IDE or development tool like VS Code or whatever will know something about the data class that you want to use and what are the types there. It won't do any type validations, so for that you would like to use probably Pydantic. Leave some comments if you want me to do a video about that as well. And we will just check a few things, see how it works, and we will see that it also supports sorting. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the code. In the code we need to import data class from the data classes module. And here, this is how we define a data class. Note that we have here the order true. This will allow us later to order different instances of this class. And there are some other options here. For example, the frozen, which is really worth it to check, but maybe we will cover it in a different video. Ask in the comments if you want me to do that. So let's create this, and this is a very basic model where we have the name of type string, the age of type integer, and an email of type string as well. And now we can try to create one. So my model here, and then you see that the IDE already knows about what's going to happen here, and we can ask name to be foo and the age to be whatever 11, and the email is gonna be, I don't know, email@company.com. And this will work, and we get a new data class here. And we can then, if we assign it to some temp value, then we can look into, I don't know, the age, for example, and get the age. Now note, there are no validations of the types here. It's just recommendations like hintings. And we can do this. It will work. It will print the string, but because we specified it to be integer, and the way I configured my VS Code, I get here a warning that, hey, something is wrong. You actually expect to have an integer. So this can help you during the development phase. It won't solve problems during runtime if you still make mistakes, of course. Now if we create here two examples with the very same information in each one of them, then the new two objects have, of course, different IDs, so they are different instances of the data class, but we can compare them and see that we get true, and that actually works. Lastly, let's create a few more instances. Here we have Captain Hook, the father, 67 years old, and that's his email. We also have Captain Hook Jr. with another email, and his age is 7. And lastly, Wendy, age 12, with her email address. So we can get these into place, and we will finish with sorting them and seeing that we get Peter Pan came here, right? That was the first one, and it's sorted alphabetically, which is really nice and helpful. And not only that, it goes into the next field to get the final sorting. Note here the types. So with the first case, with where was it? Here, Peter Pan, we don't know its age, so it's unknown, it's type string, but the age of, who is DC3 here? Now I forgot, it's Wendy. So Wendy's age is an integer, so her age is known. That's it for now. That's all I prepared for you for today. Of course, you can use it in a way more elaborated and complicated way. In some cases, it's lightweight version of what Pydantic can do. So I would say everything you can do with data classes, you can do with Pydantic, but not vice versa. So it's probably good to get to know this tool or this option. Leave some comments. How do you find it? Do you use data classes? In which use cases? I hope you found this video useful, and if so, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'm Dr. Dro. Thank you for joining me today, and have a great coding session.